Whether it's your side hustle or your main source of income, there are so many ways to make money just from driving. That's why today I'm sharing the best tips Uber, Lyft delivery, and truck drivers use to earn more so you can get the most out of your daily grind. Hi, I'm Carrie, a business owner and a digital nomad, and welcome to the Upside channel. I've teamed up with Upside to share personal finance tips and easy ways to earn and save in your daily lives. And for millions of people, that means earning more in the gig economy by turning driving in your car or truck into money in the bank. To maximize your earnings, let's start with one of your biggest expenses as a driver. A lot of people don't know that you can actually earn money when you fill up on gas. And if you don't know, you're missing out on a ton of extra income. And whether you're ride-sharing or trucking, gas is one of your main expenses. On average, rideshare and delivery drivers spend 15% of their earnings on fueling up. Add that to the taxes that you're already paying for being self-employed, and you can be left with as little as 60% or less of your original earnings. Yes, you can always use apps like Waze, Google Maps, and Gas Buddy to find and compare the cheapest gas stations near you and maybe save a few cents per gallon. Or you can download the Upside app and earn up to 25 cents per gallon cash back on all gas purchases. Hey, there's no such thing as a free lunch, but this comes pretty darn close. I earned almost $10 on my last 2 gas purchases, and that definitely adds up, especially if you're filling up multiple times a week or every day. Upside is the gas cashback app, and once you sign up in the Upside app, you just link your credit or debit cards. And if you have a gas credit card or an employer gas card, link those too. Then when you need gas, just find a cashback offer in the Upside app, claim it, then fill up and pay at the location like you normally do, and then just click paid in the app. And then in a few days, you'll magically get real cash back in your account that you can cash out and deposit to your bank, PayPal, or as an e-gift card. My favorite part is that there's no need to submit a receipt. Upside partners with over 30,000 gas stations nationwide, so you'll have no problem finding one, and they're also partnered with Gas Buddy. So, hot tip, if you want to earn double, you can actually use both of them together and then, earn more. So, how much can you save with Upside? Well, if you drive a lot, you could earn over $100 each month just from the Upside app. To compound the rewards even more, you can also earn and save with gas loyalty programs like the Shell Fuel Rewards or any gas credit card. To learn more about Upside, check out this video right here. It's linked in the description, and earn an extra 25 cents per gallon cash back on your next fuel up if you use the code YouTube when you sign up. Okay, this next tip is so easy to overlook, but it's absolutely crucial for rideshare, delivery, and truck drivers. But regardless if you drive for a living or just as a side hustle, you need to keep track of your expenses, your gas costs, your parking fees, car payments, insurance, routine servicing, and maintenance. That way you can make sure your income is higher than your expenses. And by keeping track of all of this, you can write them off on your taxes, which will ultimately help you keep more money in your pocket during tax season. Filing taxes as an independent contractor can be overwhelming because, you got the self-employment tax, and then there's Social Security, and there's a total lack of benefits like PTO and health insurance. But if you keep track of your driving-related expenses, you'll be able to spend less on the estimated quarterly payments and actually get money back come April 15th. Apps like Keeper and Intuit automatically track deductions by logging your expenses and finding savings for you as an independent contractor. And this isn't limited just to gas and repairs. They'll even log anything that you buy to improve your car and your passenger experience. Plus, you can often write off food expenses for meals that you've bought on the job. And that's another upside for the Upside app. They offer up to 40% cash back on restaurants and up to 30% cash back on groceries, meaning you can save on taxes and earn on everyday expenses like food and not just gas. Of course, always consult with a tax professional and do your research to make sure you should actually be writing something off. And if you need to learn the basics of budgeting, check out my new video on budgeting for beginners, linked below. If getting money back during tax season instead of paying thousands of dollars sounds good to you, give this video a thumbs up. All right, so the most lucrative way for a lot of Uber, Lyft, and delivery drivers is to earn money by getting good tips. Passenger and delivery tipping can be a great source of extra income, and you're more likely to be tipped if you're friendly and your car is clean and comfortable. And if you're a delivery driver, tips will generally be higher if you're efficient and communicative. When there are delays in the order, send a message so the customer is notified. If you want to go above and beyond for extra tips, you can even send a message confirming everything in their order is in the bag and you're on the way. These little bits of communication can really make a big difference. And if you're an Uber or Lyft driver, please take note of whether the passenger is actually interested in talking or not. If they don't seem to be engaging in conversation, just ask them if they like to choose the music and if the temperature is comfortable for them. The best tips tend to come from long trips, which are frequently airport drop-offs and pickups. So to catch more of your airport rides, hang around the airport during peak hours, especially if you just drop someone off. So to go the extra mile and get that tip, stock your car up with amenities like water, snacks, gum, and even candy. If you make your ride more memorable and personalized, they're more likely to remember to tip you. By the way, Upside also helps you earn money from buying groceries, which is what our next video is about. So don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell. Some drivers I've seen have really cool LED light setups and even decorations to make the drive more special and memorable. And if you and the passenger are both comfortable making conversation, building this bond and really engaging in good conversation during the trip often results in a higher tip. All right, before moving on to something that can even be more lucrative than tips, make sure to subscribe for more tips on earning and saving smarter. Bonuses are a huge incentive for rideshare and delivery drivers and are usually offered to new and existing drivers. All right, so for example, Lyft offers bonus zones, ride challenges, and ride streaks as an opportunity for drivers to make extra money. So if you accept back-to-back rides during the busiest times of the day or on holidays, or complete a certain number of rides within a certain time frame, you'll earn more money. Lyft, Uber, DoorDash, Postmates, Instacart, and similar apps also all offer user bonuses between $1,000 or $1,500. So if you complete a certain number of rides or orders or reach a minimum earnings bracket, you'll be rewarded with a lot of extra money. In my opinion, it's worth pulling a few long extra days to earn this extra cash, and then you can take some time off because you deserve it. You can also maximize your earnings and bonuses by signing up for a multiple rideshare and delivery app and switching between them throughout the day depending on which one is paying better at the time. Keep your options open and earn more money. If you meet the bonus qualifications on multiple apps, you'll be racking up the money in no time. And by the way, Upside is officially partnered with Lyft, Uber drivers, DoorDash dashers, and other delivery apps to help you earn on every gallon of gas. For example, you can find the Upside offers in the nearby gas discount section in the Lyft driver app. I'll list instructions down below for each of the partners. But of course, you can also claim the gas offers directly through the Upside app. All right, now for the final tip. Work during high demand hours, high demand days, and in high demand areas. Holidays, rush hour, and neighborhoods with a lot of dense traffic and a lot of customers are almost guaranteed to increase your revenue. And when it's really busy, one of my tips is to only consider rides that are under 10 minutes away so that you can make the most of your busy time. And also, make sure that you have a full tank of gas before you start your day because you don't want to have to pause to get gas when you're in a groove and then miss out on potential rides. And when you're done dropping off an order or waiting on the next passenger or ride, don't drive around and waste gas. If possible, wait in place until you get your next request because you don't want to spend more money than you have to driving around aimlessly and then have to fuel up more often. And before you fill up, why not download the free Upside app to earn an extra 25 cents per gallon on that next gas fuel up? Just enter the promo code YouTube when you sign up to get that bonus. Upside has an amazing referral program that gives you $20 each time a friend signs up with your code. And Upside gives you 1 cent per gallon from all of your referees' future gas purchases. That's unlimited referral bonuses forever. I hope you found this video helpful. Give it a thumbs up if you did and share it with your friends who make money driving and hopefully teach them how to make more. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see y'all next time and happy earning.